county ma Kiambu kotele gi jatend kweth mathoth okwedo nyinge 10 mag jotend migepe mag counties mane gavana ma county no Kimani wa Matangi ochwalo e nyim od burano. Jod burago wacho ni gionge kod geno kuom moko kuom jok mane ogwel tok gwenyruok e paro e od bura. MCAs ojiwo jakom maraput mochung' ne gwelo mondo chwal buche 10 mopogore mar jogo mogwel mondo omigi yot e kinde magidhi piedhogi. Jod burago oketo tenge dala ariyo magibiro bedo gi twak e wi nyinge mane ochwal.
It was not easy. We worked till
Mr. Speaker, if I can cite a case of this, we just sat and gave her the mask. If you see the report,
we can extend the days, Mr. Speaker, in 1 or 2 or 3 days, Mr. Speaker. We go through the document. Members be allowed to discuss or to go to meet with the CEC, Mr. Speaker. The CEC can all be called to the Parliament, to this assembly, Mr. Speaker. You cannot employ someone that you have not seen, Mr. Speaker.
People want us to approve names and tell us that we will undo the mess. Why are we in the first place allowing the mess?
If we have issues, let us raise them here. Even if we have 100 days or even 1 year, that is why we are here, to talk and make an agreement. Postponing the problem is not the solution.
Should not bring someone who is old to this assembly and to our county. She will not add any value. She's a nominee who was heading the castle bar. The wage bill is very bloated in Kiambu County. She has been in charge. She's not fit